It's the late 1940s, and America is detonating A-bombs in Nevada, which doesn't go unnoticed by one Mr. Joseph Stalin of Red Square, Moscow. He has just taken delivery of a custom-made intercontinental bomber fleet, with a special option for it to carry his very own atomic bomb. This development freaks out North Americans who see nothing but fallout in their future, as this Soviet bomber fleet could now fly missions from their homeland over the pole and into North America. To counter this, Canada decides to build a line of early warning radar stations, a modernized version of the British chain home system that defended the United Kingdom during the Second World War. But as you can see, there are significant gaps. America realizes that while Canada would be targeted in such a strike, the main targets would be in American cities. To stop the gaps in this radar net, they agree to a joint system under the North American Air Defense or NORAD Agreement for Continental Defense. They agree to finance, construct, and man additional stations to provide coverage not only in central Canada, but along the Labrador Sea and Atlantic coast. And thus, the Pine Tree Line was born. It guarded North America throughout the 1950s and into the early 1960s, when the distant early warning line was established. With that, and the advent of intercontinental ballistic missiles, the Pine Tree Line soon became redundant. By 1970, most of these stations were closed. Some were repurposed, others were razed, leaving no sign of what was there before. But one, located 90 minutes from Ottawa, is relatively intact and survives more or less to this day. This is Foymount.